Sarah, and today I'm going to do a bit of a cleaning video with you. I'm going to show you a really ultra cheap way of cleaning your wooden furniture, your sinks, your bathrooms, the soap scum that gets around your bath, the ring around your bath, and the shower door, the bane of my life, and also your mirrors and windows. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we'll talk about is your wooden furniture. Now, most wooden furniture is treated. If it's not treated, you shouldn't be putting anything on it, not even water if you can help it, just give it a bit of a dust. But most wooden furniture is treated. I had a look in the supermarket at the likes of Pledge, the wooden furniture polish spray. Now that equates to $16 a litre. The other alternative to that is to get yourself a spray bottle. This one I got from the warehouse or Kmart. I think I got this one from the warehouse. It was pretty cheap. And if you fill it up with your own mixture of 3 parts olive oil, it's important to use olive oil, not some of the cheaper canola oil or other vegetable-based oils that you can get. So 3 parts olive oil to 1 part white vinegar. And that will do just as good a job on your wooden furniture as the likes of spray. And that homemade solution comes to $8.22 per litre. So that's almost half the price of Pledge, so money saver right there. However, if you like to give your furniture a bit of a polish every single week, you don't really need to do that, but you can give it a bit of a clean every week. Literally, all I've got in this spray bottle is some water. So, you know, you just have to give it a wee spritz with water, bit of a wipe with a cloth, and you're good to go. So, you know, and just use the other solution every few weeks or when you need to feel like you need a bit of an extra polish or something. So, here we go. Yay. Okay, now, I have brought you to the grottiest sink in the house. I'm not sure if the camera is quite capturing it, but this is where the kids brush their teeth. So we got a few. Actually, the windows, the mirror's not looking that bad at the moment. It gets worse. Trust me, it gets a lot worse. Anyone with kids will understand. So, to clean your sink, you could get Mr. Muscle or Dettol. Both have a bathroom cleaner. Now those are about $3.99 for a bottle, which equates to $7.98 per litre. Or you can mix up this stuff. You put 1 part white vinegar and 1 part water in a spray bottle. That's all you need, and it comes to $2.20 a litre. So that's a money saver right there. So all I'm going to do is get a spray bottle. 1 part vinegar. I think your head is directly in the way there, Aston. Thank you. Aston's usually my spray monitor when we're cleaning bathrooms, aren't you? So, 1 cup of vinegar.
But it's not good to pull off on the floor or...
Yeah, just leave it, please. And 1 cup of water. Now, if you're going to do this, and you're going to have some left over, it is wise. Sometimes on my spray bottles I actually put a little V and W so that I know exactly what is in there so I don't forget and just think it's water or something. This stuff cleans the mirror beautifully. Now, I did say $2.20 a litre to make up some of this stuff. Mr. Muscle glass cleaner is $5.45 a litre, so it's cheaper than that too. I'll change cloths so I don't have all the toothpaste scum on that cloth for cleaning the mirror with. So just a few big spritzes. And there we go. Lovely clean mirror, lovely clean sink. Done. So just when we thought it couldn't get any more fun, I get to clean the soap scum off the shower door. Okay, now this has been the bane of my life for ages. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but we get soap scum for Africa on this. I do have a tradesman husband. He comes home grotty, he jumps straight in the shower a lot of days and washes all the grot off, and then I've got to try and get the grot out of the shower. But anyway, soap scum, so I'm just going to demo on the shower door here. I have my trusty spray bottle, my trusty white vinegar. We want 1 cup of white vinegar. Well, we actually want, however much you're mixing, equal parts white vinegar and washing up liquid. 1 cup of white vinegar. And 1 cup of washing up liquid. I just use the value brand stuff. Now, cost-wise, not sure what to compare this to. I mean, it's still cheaper than the likes of the all-purpose bathroom cleaner. Oops, I didn't make a neat job out of that. I mean, if you want to compare it to the likes of, there's a product out there which apparently is brilliant called Shower Witch by Wet and Forget. Now, that's $26 a litre. This stuff is $4.98 a litre. This is also very good for if your kids have baths and you get that lovely muck circle around your bath because they're not good at wiping it down afterwards. This is also brilliant for getting that off as well. So, what I do is, let's get that to the sexy, in yellow, and I'm going to spray this nice and thorough all over. I'm doing a really good coat. For best results, you actually just want to leave that for about 5 minutes just to soak in. So, just let that soak in for a few minutes. And I'll just give that a rub, and like magic, actually the outside of the shower door is a bit grubby, confession time. Okay, so that'll just go a little bit leathery. Now, if you're doing that and you're thinking this isn't quite getting it all off, or if you give it a bit of a rinse afterwards and you still find it hasn't quite got it all off, give it another spray. Generally, I find this does it pretty good though. A little bit of baking soda if you think you need it. Just sprinkle a little bit onto the cloth. And it just makes a little bit of a paste. But that will get just about anything off. That is brilliant stuff. So then what I'll do is hop in there, take my socks off, turn the shower on, just give it a bit of a wipe, bit of a rinse down, and it will be sparkling. And there we go. Once that dries off, that is all the soap scum and everything gone. Yay, done. I'm hoping this video has been of some assistance. That's just a few things that I've discovered lately that will drastically reduce your cleaning bill. I take great joy from skipping down the cleaning aisle at the supermarket, not buying anything. I get funny looks for skipping. Hit that like button please, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, we'll come up with more ideas, me and Aston and the girls. And thank you for watching. Have fun out there, unless you're cleaning, in which case it's not really fun, but you know, just make the most of the day.
It is fun.